Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the question based on profit and loss. First of all, we will discuss the concept of profit and loss. We will discuss the basic fundamental of profit and loss. We will discuss the key element of profit and loss questions. So what are the element of sales and purchase? So for the sales and purchase, one of the element is MRP. On every item there will be maximum retail price. Here we are taking example of one mobile phone. So here MRP is 8,000. So this phone can be sold up to a maximum price of 8,000 by the shopkeeper to the customer. So this is the one thing. Many question we will see MRP is given. Then the shopkeeper will give some discount. After that, in that question, we will be asked about the profit and loss of shopkeeper. So next element of sale and purchase is the sales price. So sales price is the price at which customer buys from the shopkeeper or seller. So in the last slide, we have seen that the MRP of that phone is 8,000 rupees. Here, shopkeeper sells it in 6,000 or 7,000 rupees. So sales price is the price at which customer buys from the shopkeeper. So next key element of sale and purchase is cost price. Cost price is the cost paid by the shopkeeper to procure or purchase that item, because shopkeeper will also purchase that item from dealer or from some other places. So cost price will be the actual cost borne by the shopkeeper. So here for this mobile phone, cost price is 6,000. So we will summarize the MRP, selling price and cost price. So MRP of this mobile phone was 8,000. While selling the item, some discount was offered by the shopkeeper, and selling price is 7,000. That means discount of 1,000 offered by the shopkeeper. So next element is the cost price. Cost price is the price at which shopkeeper procured that item. So if selling price is given, cost price is given, then in profit and loss question we will be asked about the percentage of profit and loss. So what are the type of question asked based on profit and loss? So question will be based on discount offered by Natkat Lal. Natkat Lal is the name of our shopkeeper. So sometime he will offer successive discount. So whenever we go to the mall, whenever we go to nearby shop during the festive season or special sales season, we will see the discount of 20 plus 30, 10 plus 10. So that discount is called as successive discount. So in some questions, selling price will be given and then the percentage of profit or loss will be given. We have to find out the cost price. In some question, cost price will be given, then we have to find out the selling price. So some question will be based on the false weight also. So instead of the actual weight shown in the weighing machine, shopkeeper is giving less weight in actual. So in actual, he is giving the less quantity to the customer. So whatever is the difference between the quantity shown in weighing machine and actual handed over by shopkeeper to the customer, that difference will be the gain of shopkeeper. So in almost every aptitude test, every competitive exam, we will see one to two questions based on profit and loss. So this one is the very important chapter of our this quantity aptitude. So we have to understand the basics. Basics is very clear. So one basic is every profit and loss will be calculated on cost price. What is the cost to us? What is the cost to the shopkeeper? Only on the base of that we can know what is the profit, what is the loss. So as we are discussing the basic concept of profit and loss, we will discuss very simple question based on profit and loss so that our concept will be clear. How we have to solve this question, we will see in these examples. So question is that a mobile cost rupees 6,000 to the shopkeeper Natkatlal, and he sells at a profit of 20% to the customer. Calculate the selling price of the mobile phone. So I will tell you a method to solve these questions. Whatever is the percentage of profit or loss is given, first write it into the fractional form. Fractional form, let's see, we will see how we will write it in fractional form. Here, shopkeeper sells the mobile phone at a profit of 20%. So first step, what we have to take, we have to write these 20% in the fractional form. Now it is given in the percentage, 20%. 20% means 20 by 100. So it will be 1 by 5. So for a cost price, if the cost price of an item is 5, there is a gain of 1 rupees as per the above mentioned question. So then what will be the selling price? We are selling an item of 5 rupees in with a profit of 1 rupees. Then selling price will be 6 by 5. 6 by 5 of the cost price. So we will multiply 6 by 5 with 6,000. We will get the selling price of mobile phone. So here 5 means the cost price, and 1 is the 1 can be either, it can be profit, it can be loss as it is mentioned in the question. So if it is a 20% loss, that we will see in the next question, same question, but that question will be with loss of 20%. So in this question we will see how to find out the selling price of that mobile phone. So for a cost price of 5, there is profit of 1. Then selling price will be it will be? It will be 5 plus 1 upon 5, 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 is the cost price, 6 is selling price, and actual cost price of the mobile phone is 6,000 rupees. So the selling price will come out to be 7,200 rupees. So let's move to the next question. A mobile costs 6,000 rupees. This one is the similar question. Only difference is that the shopkeeper Natkat Lal sells at a loss of 20% to the customer. So we have to calculate the selling price of mobile phone. So here there is 20% of loss. So you write this 20% in fractional form, it will be 1 by 5. That means for a cost price of for an item of 5 rupees, there is loss of 1 rupee. So what will be the selling price? 5 minus 1 upon 5. So here SP will be, selling price will be 5 minus 1 by 5, 4 by 5 into 6,000. So it will come out 4,800 rupees. So selling price will be 4,800 rupees. So there will be loss of 1,200 rupees to the shopkeeper. So key point is that whatever profit and loss, whatever discount on MRP is given in percentage form, steadily write it into fractional form. There is no need to memorize the formula SP minus CP upon CP into 100. So in that way, it will become burden on our mind. We will always try to memorize that. Here we are understanding on every 5 rupees there is a loss of 1. So what will be the final selling price? That will be 5 minus 1 upon 5 into the actual cost price of that item. We will find out the selling price. So by this way we can solve all the profit and loss problem. So now let's go to the next question. This question is based on some successive discount. MRP of a mobile phone is rupees 8,000. Natkat Lal offers a discount of 10% plus 10% on MRP to the customer on festive sale. What is the selling price of mobile phone? Wherever this 10 plus 10 plus 10, these are called successive discount. Like there is an item of 100 rupees. There is a discount of 10%. So then what will be the final price of that item? For 100 rupees, 10% discount mean 10 rupees discount. So 90 will be the selling price. So on that 90, there will be the second discount. So on 90, 10% discount will be 9. So final value, what will be the selling price? 81 rupees. So it is not a straight discount. 10 plus 10 means 20. It's not a 20% discount. It is a discount on discount. So let's solve this problem. Here first discount is 10%. As I told you in the earlier question, first write the discount in fractional form. So write 10% in the fractional form. What it will be? It will be 1 by 10. So that means on every 10 rupees there is a discount of 1 rupee. So 10% will be 1 by 10, and 10 is the MRP and there is a discount of rupees 1. So what will be the final price of that item? It will be 10 minus 1 upon 10. So it will come out to be 9 by 10. Then on this price, there is a further discount of 10%. So for this further discount, 9 by 10 into again 10 minus 1 upon 10, it will be 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. It will come out to be 81 upon 100. So for 100 rupees item, we have to pay 81 rupees. So MRP, actual MRP is 8,000. So we will multiply 81 upon 100 with 8,000. So it will come out to be 6,480 rupees. So for this profit and loss problem, what is the key highlight area? Key highlight area is wherever percentage is given, first write it in the fractional form. Then let's see whether it is discount or it is profit and loss on cost price. So with this step, our 60% work will be done. We have not to memorize any formula. So now let's move to the next question. Here the MRP of a mobile phone is rupees 8,000 and it cost rupees 6,000 to Natkhat Lal, and Natkhat Lal offer a discount of 12.5% on MRP to the customer. What is the profit or loss of Natkhat Lal? So here basically MRP of that mobile phone is given. Shopkeeper is offering a discount of 12.5%. As we have done in the earlier question, here a percentage of discount is given. So first of all, we have to write this discount percentage in fractional form. So 12.5% will be 25 by 2 into 1 by 100. So in this solution we will see 12 by 5% is 25 by 2 into 1 by 100. So it will come out to be 1 by 8. Means on MRP of 8 rupees there is a discount of 1 rupees. So what will be the final price? Final price will be 8 minus 1 upon 8. It will come out to be 7 by 8. But the actual MRP is 8,000. So multiply 7 by 8 into 8,000. Then the selling price will come out to be 7,000. So here we are writing this discount of 1 by 8. So on an item where MRP is 8, there is a discount of 1 rupee. There is discount of 1 rupee. So the final price, selling price will be 8 minus 1 upon 8. That will come out to be 7 by 8. And here MRP is 8,000. So the selling price will come out to be 7,000. So here we are given MRP, cost price of that item, And then now we have find out selling price also. Selling price is 7,000. So for this item MRP was 8,000. There was a discount of 12.5%. So selling price come out to be 7,000. Cost price to Natkat Lal is 6,000. So there is a profit of 1,000 rupees. And then what is the cost price? 6,000. So we have to find out percentage profit. So percentage profit will be 1,000 upon 6,000 into 100. So it will come out to be 50 by 3 percentage. 16 into 2 by 3% will be the right answer. So this question itself asked in many competitive exams. So next question we will discuss about the false weight questions. A customer came to Natkatlal and asked about 1 kg of wheat flour. Natkatlal is claiming to sell the wheat flour at cost price. So Natkatlal weighing machine will weigh 900 grams as 1000 gram. Basically for every 1000 gram uh, which is shown in the weighing machine, actual quantity is given to the customer is 900 grams. So we have to find out the profit to the Natkatlal. So for every gram, we can consider that 1 gram is 1 paisa. So for 1 kg, the customer has to pay 1000 paisa means 10 rupees he has to pay. But shopkeeper is giving only an item of 900 paisa means 9 rupees. So what is the gain of Natkatlal? Natkatlal is gaining 1 rupee on every 9 rupees. So what will be the profit of Natkatlal? It will be 1 upon 9 into 100. It will come out to be 100 by 9. So let's move to the solution also. We will see the solution again. Here shopkeeper is using false weight. On every 1000 gram he is only giving 900 gram, and we assume that 1 gram cost is 1 paisa. So for every 10 rupees item, only 9 rupee item is given to the customer. So there will be a gain of 1 rupees or 100 paisa to Natkatlal. So net profit will be 1 by 9 into 100. It will come out to be 100 by 9%. So it will be 11 into 1 by 9%. So by this way we will find out the solution of false weight questions. So these are the basic type of question we have discussed, and we have discussed the key element or our first task we have to do whenever we are solving profit and loss questions. That was the writing percentage form into the fractional form, and then go over the solution. So these were the few examples we have discussed for the profit and loss questions. Then we will take 2 to 3 sessions. In each session, we will discuss 5 questions. And profit and loss is a very important chapter. So many questions asked in all the competitive banks, competitive exams, staff selection competitive exams, or business entrance examinations, MBA entrance examination. These questions are asked. So thank you everyone for watching my video till the end, and we will bring more and more content for my subscriber. So first of all, subscribe my channel and like my video and keep on encouraging me. Thank you everyone.